Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass Roblox age verification when it limits your access. I'll walk you through how to deal with common issues like blocked features, restricted content, or verification pop-ups, so you can use Roblox normally without any hassle. In many cases, access issues happen because of regional restrictions or network blocks. Some platforms and services behave differently depending on your location, which can prevent them from loading properly. One of the most effective ways to solve this is by using a VPN, which allows your connection to appear as if it's coming from another country. A VPN works by routing your internet traffic through a secure server in a different region. Instead of websites seeing your real location, they only see the VPN server's IP address. This helps bypass restrictions, improves connection stability, and keeps your online activity private through encryption. To get started, click the link in the pinned comment, which will take you to the official VPN website. Scroll down to the Choose Your Device section and select the system you're using, such as iOS or Android. Then tap Download to install the VPN app on your device. After installing the app, open it and find the option called Enable Free Trial and select it. This allows you to unlock full VPN access for a limited time without paying up front. Complete the quick setup process, and once it's done, you'll have temporary access to the premium features so you can test everything risk-free. After that, simply choose the country you want to connect to based on your needs and connect to the server. When the connection is active, refresh the app or website you were trying to access, and it should now work. To sum it up, using a VPN is one of the simplest and most effective ways to bypass restrictions, access blocked content, and maintain a stable, private connection. It takes only a moment to set up and works across multiple devices. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.